How to add custom fonts on CapCut PC. So if you want to add custom fonts on your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now you just need to simply open up your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, you need to just go back and open up your browser and go with the website, which is the font, which is DAFONT. Search, and here you will have the font. You need to click on it, click on the website, and from here you need to download the font that you would like to add. Like for example, I'll go with the first one and go with download, which is on the right side, and it will start the downloading process. So as you can see that it has started the downloading process and it has already been downloaded. And what you need to do is just go back, go and import a video. And now if you want to add a font, you need to go with text, which is on the top left. And once you click on default text, you will have default text right here. So you need to go with the font, which is here on the right side. Click on it and just scroll down a bit and you'll find the system fonts right here. And under your system fonts, you will have the font that you've just downloaded. So you need to select the font and apply that font. In this way, you'll be able to add custom fonts on your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.